So this video today is going to be about me bleaching my son's hair. He wants his hair to be blue, his mohawk. We separate right here in two sections. Before we separated in two sections, what I did was I soaked his hair in coconut oil for about an hour. And now we're going to go and bleach his hair and foil it up and all that stuff. I don't know if I'm really going to use the foil, but I think I am to protect his skin and to protect other parts of his hair. Hold this for Michael. Turn around and say hello to the camera.
Hello.
This is Michael. Okay. So make sure the camera is aiming right. Okay, yes it is. Just great job. Okay. What I'm going to do is section it off. We're not going to touch his roots at all, like whatsoever. We're not going to hit the roots.
Oh, my hair.
I don't have a table near me, so I'm going to put this on the floor. Let's just put an oil mic. Just going to hit this. Oh, and just to let you guys know, this is a 40 volume developer. So with this, you're going to have to move really, really fast. Because you know 40 will turn really, really fast. Give me a foil mic. And we're sitting here by our patio door for ventilation. Because we don't want to be in the bathroom with no windows. We don't have windows in the bathroom. So let me go ahead and bleach his hair up and we'll come back. All right, so cut on Michael's turn. So we got his hair all foiled up. All right, we're just gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes. Well, actually 30 minutes. Check it in 30 minutes. See what it looks like. See the strength, and see if you could, handle a little more go. So just hold on.
Thanks.
Handsome boy.
Hi.
Okay, let's show the people what their hair looks like now in the sun. Come out in the sun. Okay, guys, this is what his hair is looking like now. I'm not even gonna lie. His hair did get a little bit darker because of the oil that I put in his hair. We put some olive oil in his hair because his hair was dried. Let the people see your hair. See the color of it. This is 40 minutes. Turn your head, Gabriel. Michael. No, turn your head the other way. The back. This is 40 minutes of processing with the 40 volume developer. After 30 minutes, I checked it and I was like, you know what, you could go another 10. So we went another 10. So this is 40 minutes of process with the 40 developer. We're going to hit it again with the 40 developer for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, so we're gonna hit like more like this part, more like the tips. All right, here we go. Here goes Michael. We hit his hair, turn it sideways like that. We hit his hair with the 40 developer for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We're outside in the sun. Just let you guys know what his hair is looking like.
Yeah.
Okay. Stop moving, Mike. This is his hair. Nice and golden. Yellow. Still a little on the orange. I mean, not little. It is on the orange side. If you see it in person, it's a lot more yellowish than golden. So that's 15 minutes. Okay, that was basically 15 minutes of processing this hair with the 40 volume developer. So he wants his hair blue, but we know it's not going to be blue. It's going to be more like of a green color because his hair is not white. Here goes the ion color we're using. It's Canon. Here is the cane color. We use half of the tube. Just about half of the tube. And we put some conditioner in there. We're gonna squirt a little bit more of the blue because I want more blue than conditioner because we really don't want pastel, but we want this consistency to be easy to work with because this crap is so thick. So hold on, y'all. Okay, so I added more blue. So I used mostly the whole tube. Okay, like so, in 25% left in that tube. There, it's more clear. Blue hair, green hair, whatever. It's about to happen. It's about to go down, Mike.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we got the dye in his hair, the pastel mixture. Now I'm gonna add the dark blue into his hair. I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out, let his hair dry. Then we're gonna show you the final results. Michael, here goes his hair. We are in the sun. Now we knew it wasn't going, go a little this way, Mike. Hold on, yeah. Okay, we knew some of his hair was gonna be green because I know I should have toned his hair before we put the dye on, but I didn't tone his hair. But where the parts that looks more bluish is because his hair was more like a yellow than a golden yellow. Well, yellow is golden anyways. Just check out his hair. This is what it looks like. All around. All around. That's his hair, boy. Came out pretty rad, dude. Hope you guys like this. Peace out, toodles. Happy trails.